Africa Content TV.
I officially joined the organization back in 2012. So
yeah, more good things
From 2012 till now.
Thank you so much.
Can you tell us how you qualify work, outside work?
In the business world, I actually started out as a promoter based in I went from being a promoter to this international manager, handling this international work. As a business person, as a musician, he's definitely someone that's a go-getter. He tries his best to break out of any limitation or any box. He always reaches for the best, and he tries his best to stay away from mediocrity, meaning that he doesn't manage when it comes to professionalism. He's always trying to do the best. He's always trying to achieve the best and to be the best. He's been a wonderful person to work with.
Yeah, I see what we're in the
50 years on stage now.
Bolaji Benjamin.
To be honest, what he's achieved within that 50 years,
nínú ẹgbẹ́ K1 tó jẹ́ bí atukọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ tó ń pè ní captain band àfògbó fún Ọlọ́run torí ayé ọ̀gá wa torí pé ẹni tọ́lọ́run rán ó yàtọ̀ sí ẹni tó ó kàn bá lójú ọ̀nà tó sí ọ̀gá wa jẹ́ ènìyàn tí Ọlọ́run fún ní ìmọ̀ tó pọ̀ tó sì jẹ́ pé tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ iṣẹ́ orin fún ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá bá rìn tó bá bá ọ̀gá wa rìn á kó ẹ̀kọ́ tó pọ̀ irú àwa tá à ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ á ti kó ẹ̀kọ́ tó pọ̀ lára wọn nípa ìṣe nípa ìwà nípa ìsọ̀rọ̀ sí
Okay, so everyone is mentioning about his 50 years on stage, and it's important to note that it's one thing to celebrate 50 years on stage, it's another thing to be 50 years and relevant. One thing about K1 the Ultimate is that he had different phases in his career, and in each phase he had a different name. He started out as Wasiu Ayinde Barista, then went to Wasiu Ayinde, then went to King Wasiu Ayinde, then King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal, King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal 1, then he went to K1, then he went to K1 the Ultimate. So in every phase of his career, he made sure that he reached the peak of that phase. So, like I said, it's one thing to celebrate 50 years, it's another thing to celebrate 50 years and be relevant. So he's relevantly relevant 50 years and still going strong.